Welcome to IFC Markets. You are watching weekly market overview. The previous week, the US dollar outperformed its entire major counterparties. The greenback advanced by 0.80% and was followed by Australian dollar bouncing up by 0.32%. On the negative side, the sterling dropped by 0.07%. That was mainly flat versus the US dollar. Next, the Japanese yen decreased by 0.26%. The Swiss franc and the euro declined by 0.86% and 0.98% respectively against the greenback. The biggest loser of the previous week was the Canadian dollar, falling by 1.16%. The best performing currency of the week was the US dollar. Despite being under selling pressure 2 weeks ago, it was underpinned by Federal Reserve decision to further taper asset purchases by $10 billion to $65 billion. The US dollar index has been mainly in 81.45 to 79.73 tunnel trading since November 2013. In the recent week, took the chance to approach upper boundary at 81.45. Moreover, the US dollar held firmly its newly earned territory as the quarterly GDP data were in line with the most projections. The Australian dollar recovered from 3.5-year lows against the greenback, defying emerging market sell-off. The latter was mainly due to oversold technical indicators, which provoked a retracement. We are aware of the daily strong downside bias, thus we would expect falling prices to resume. At the same time, the yen has weakened somewhat against the greenback, with the USD JPY rising slightly from 101.96 to 102.23. Nonetheless, the Japanese yen maintains its ground and at the same time against other currencies strikes back. For example, the Euro JPY dipped to a 2-month low at 138.32, although beginning of 2014 was trading near 5-year peaks at 144.86, and in our opinion is likely to continue lower. The yen was well supported by investors who sought for a safer place to put their assets, as well as by improving Japanese inflation data. Nationwide CPI rose to its highest point at 1.6% since November 2008, that is 5 years ago. The euro declined the past week, weighted mainly by stronger US dollar. The euro USD fell from 1.3679 to 1.3514, unable to maintain previous gains. On the data front, on Monday, UK manufacturing PMI and US manufacturing PMI will be the major focus. On Tuesday, we will be watching Reserve Bank of Australia monetary statement. On Wednesday, US ADP non-farm employment report is the most important event. On Thursday, main focus will be the Bank of England and European Central Bank monetary decisions. Finally, on Friday, we will monitor US non-farm payrolls and unemployment report. You are watching weekly market overview by IFC Markets. Do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us every Tuesday. Goodbye.